Good day, everyone. My name is Jansen Pastias. Today, I will be presenting my report called Neural Networks in Data Mining and Classification. This topic is the most one important areas in artificial intelligence and data mining because neural networks enables computer to learn from data, identi- identify patterns, classify information, and make intelligent predictions. Throughout this presentation, I will explain what data mining is, how neural networks work, how they perform classification, their application across different industries, as well as their advantages, limitations, ethical considerations, and future trends. First, introduction. What is data mining? Data mining is, is the process of extracting useful information, hidden patterns, and meaningful relationships from large collection of data. Today, almost every organization generates huge amounts of information that sales transactions, websites, hospitals, clothes, banks, and social media. However, raw data alone has little value unless it is analyzed properly. Throughout the data mining, organizations can transform raw data into valuable knowledge that supports better decision making. For example, supermarkets analyze customers' shopping habits to determine which products are commonly purchased. Together, this helps them improve marketing strategies and product placement. Second, what is classification? Classification is supervised machine learning technique that assigns data into predefined categories or classes. For example, an email can be classified as either spam or not spam. Banks classify loans application as approved or rejected. Ang hospital classifies patients as healthy or sick based sa ilangan test results, and classification helps organizations automate decision making while reducing them human error. Number three is the neural networks. What are neural networks? Artificial neural networks or ANN are computer models inspired by the structure and functioning of the human brain. For example, when you unlock smartphone user facial recognition, a neural network identifies your face by learning its unique features. Just like ng fingerprint, that are neural networks. Next, why are neural networks important? Neural networks important because they enable accurate predictions, patterns, and recognitions. Neural networks have become one of the most powerful technologies in artificial intelligence because they can solve problems that traditional computer programs cannot easily solve. They can recognize complex patterns, analyze huge datasets, and make highly accurate predictions. Organizations use them to improve efficiency, reduce costs, detect fraud, diagnose diseases, recommend products, and support better decision making. And as technology advances, neural networks continue to play with a major role in digital transformation. Next is application in modern organizations is business, healthcare, banking, cybersecurity, and marketing. First is healthcare. Hospitals use them to detect diseases and analyze medical images. Banking uses banks use them to detect fraudulent transactions and assess credit risk. Business businesses use them to forecast sales, analyze customers, and improve marketing strategies. Education schools use them to predict student performance and personalize learning. For a five cybersecurity. Cybersecurity systems use them to detect malware and cyber attacks. Last, that next, learning objectives. The learning objectives are define data mining and classification, explain neural network architecture, describe how neural networks learn, understand classification using neural networks, identify real-world applications, discuss advantages, challenges, and future developments. First objective is define data mining and classification. These are foundation that of today's discussion because neural networks are widely used to perform classification tasks within data mining. The second objective is the explain neural network architecture. We will learn about the input layer, hidden layer, and output layer as well as how they work together to process information. The third objective is to explain is the learning process of neural networks. Unlike ordinary computer programs, neural networks improve their performance by learning from experience using algorithms such as forward propagation and back propagation. The fourth objective is to understand is network classifying information. We will examine how they assign data into categories such as spam or not spam, approved or rejected, or pass or fail. Number five is identify real-world applications. We will explore examples from healthcare, finance, business, cybersecurity, and many other industries. And finally, we will evaluate both the strengths of and weaknesses of neural networks while discussing emerging technologies that we will shape the future of artificial intelligence. What is data mining? Data mining is the process of extracting usual patterns, relationships, and knowledge from large-scale datasets to support decision making. The common task is classification, prediction, clustering, association rules, and anomaly detection and regression. The first common task is classification. Classification organizes information into predefined groups. An example is an email is classified as spam or not spam. Prediction estimates future outcomes based on historical data. Example, banks predict whether customers will repay or not pay their loans. Clustering. Clustering is a group of similar records without predefined levels. Example, businesses group customers according to buying behavior. Next is association rules. Association rules discover relationship between products. Sample, customers who buy bread or often buy butter. Next is anomaly detection. Anomaly detection identifies usual behavior. Example, bank detect suspicious credit card transactions. And last is regression. Regression predicts continuous numerical values. Example, forecasting future sales revenue. Importance of data mining in sectors of business, banking, healthcare, and marketing and cybersecurity. First is business. Businesses analyze customer behavior, forecast sales, and improve inventory management. Banking. Bank detects fraud, evaluate law applications, and assess financial risk. Healthcare. Hospitals predict diseases and improve patient diagnosis. Marketing. Companies personalize advertisements and recommend products. Cybersecurity. Organizations detect malware and identify cyber attacks before they cause damage. The benefits the number one is better decision making. Better decision making, but for example, this is managers make smarter decisions using data-driven insights. Fraud detection. Financial institutions identify suspicious transactions immediately. Customer analysis. Businesses understand customer needs and preferences. Cost reduction. Organizations eliminate unnecessary expenses. Next, risk management. Companies identify potential problems before they happen. Next, improve efficiency. Automation increase productivity while reducing manual work. What is classification? Classification is supervised learning technique that assigns data into predefined categories. 1. Email filtering. Spam or not spam. 2. Medical diagnosis. Positive or negative. 3. Loan approval. Approved or rejected. 4. Student performance. Pass or fail. First, we discuss email filtering. Spam or not spam. Email filtering, the system classifies emails or not spam. Medical diagnostics, AI classifies patients as positive or negative based on laboratory results. Sa loan approval, banks classify loan applications as approved or rejected. Student performance, school predict whether students are likely to pass or fail. What are neural networks? Artificial neural networks or ANN are computing models inspired by human brains uses 1. Image recognition. Neural networks identify faces, objects, and handwritten text. 2. Speech recognition. Virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant understand spoken language. 4. Fraud detection. Banks identify usual financing transactions. Next is medical diagnosis. Hospital detects diseases from X-rays, MRI scans. Recommendation systems like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon recommended content based on user behavior. Data mining, neural networks discovered hidden patterns, classify information, and predict future outcomes from large datasets. History of neural networks. In 1943, first artificial neuron model proposed by McCulloch and Pitts. In 1958, perceptron, introduced by Frank Rosenblatt in 1986. Backpropagation algorithm developed enabling multi-layer learning. 2012, deep learning breakthrough like AlexNet wins ImageNet competition. Today, AI powers like ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and medical diagnosis and beyond. Biological versus artificial neuron. Biological neuron. Dendrites receive signals. Cell body process information. Axon transmits signals. Synapses connection between neurons. B. Artificial neurons. Inputs receive data values. Processing unit applies weights and activation. Output send result forward. Weights, strength, and connections. Structure of neural network. Neural networks are organized into three main layers: the input layer, hidden layer, and outer layer. First is the input layer. The input layer receives raw data. For example, in student performance prediction, inputs may include attendance, quiz scores, assignments, and exam grades. Hidden layers processes and transforms the data, applies weights and activation functions to extract patterns. Networks may have one or many layer ah, or many hidden layer. Output layer. Output layer produces the final result. Sample, classification, label, predicted value. The number of nodes reflects the number of output in classes. Next, let us understand how neural networks learn from data. How neural networks learn. One is receive input data, calculate outputs, compare with actual answers, calculate error, adjust weights via propagation, repeat many times until accuracy improves. First is receive input data. This could be customer information, medical records, or student course. Calculate outputs. It processes the input throughout mathematical operations and produces a prediction. Third, the prediction is compared with the other actual answer. This helps determine whether the network made a correct prediction. Fourth, the network calculates the error. The error measures the between the predicted output and the actual output. Fifth, the network adjusts its weights via propagation. By changing the weights, the network improves its future predictions. It Last, finally, the process of repeating many times throughout repeated training, the neural networks becomes more accurate. The first stage of learning called forward propagation. Forward propagation. Information flows from input layer through hidden layer to the output layer producing a prediction. Example, student scores, input, neural network processing, predict, pass or fail, it, that is the output. At each layer, neurons receive values, apply insights and an activation function, then pass the result forward. These one-directional flows continue until the final output is generated. Backpropagation. Backpropagation is the main learning algorithm used in neural networks. It works by sending the error signal backward through the network after each prediction, then adjusting the weights to minimize that error. This is how it works. First is a prediction is made. Second, the error is calculated by comparing prediction to actual output. Third, the error is propagated backward through each layer. 4. Weights are updated using gradient descent. The last, the process repeats until the error is minimized. The backpropagation enables neural networks to learn from mistakes and continuously improve their accuracy over time. Activation functions: binary or normalized. Sigmoid, used for binary classification tasks. Outputs between 0 and 1, ideal for probability and estimation. Tan, produces normalized output between -1 and 1, useful when data needs to be centered around 0. Deep learning, ReLU, rectified linear unit, widely used in deep learning for its efficiency and ability to handle vanishing gradients. Softmax converts outputs into probabilities across multiple classes, standard for multi-class classification. The types of neural networks. One is for feed-forward neural networks. Information flows. Information flows is the one direction, simplest architecture used for basic classification tasks. 2. conv- convolutional neural network, specialized for image recognition and visual pattern detection. Recurrent neural network, designed for sequential data such as text, speech, and time series. Deep neural network, multiple hidden layers enabling learning and complex and abstract representations. Next, self-optimizing maps, unsupervised network used for clustering and dimensionally reduction in data mining. Neural networks in data mining. Step 1 to 3. Data collection. Number 2, gather raw data from various sources and databases. 3. Data cleaning. 4. Remove noise, handle missing values, and prepare data. 5. Feature selection. The first step is data collection. This involves gathering information from different sources such as databases, websites, social media, customer transactions, sensors, and business records. The second step is data cleaning. Real-world data often contains missing values, duplicate records, incorrect information, and inconsistencies. inconsistencies. The third is feature selection. This means selecting only the most important variables that influence the prediction. The step 4 to 6. The fourth step is training. During training, the neural network learns from historical data by repeatedly adjusting its weights throughout propagation. The fifth step is classification. Classification. After training, the model can classify new data into categories. And last step is decision making. The classified results are used by managers and organizations to make informed business decisions. Classification process. Five types of classification process. Collect label data, train the neural network, test the model, predict new data, evaluate accuracy. The first is collect label data. Label data already contains the correct answers. For example, in an email dataset, every email is already labeled as either spam or not spam. Next, the second step is training, training, training the neural network. The network studies thousands of millions, for example, recognized patterns. The third step is test the model. After training, the model is tested using new data that has been never seen before. The fourth step is predict new data. The trained model can be classified completely information, for example, It can determine whether a new customer is likely to purchase a product or not. The final step is evaluate accuracy. The prediction is compared with the actual answer to determine how accurate the model is. To measure how well the model performs, several evaluation metrics are used. Performance evaluation, core metrics, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 store. Accuracy. Accuracy measures how many predictions are correct out of the out of all predictions. For example, if the model correctly predicts 95 out of 10 cases, its accuracy is 95%. Precision. Precision measures how many positive predictions are actually correct. For example, in disease detection, recall measures how many sick patients were correctly diagnosed. Ah, no. Precision. Precision makes how many positive predictions are actually correct. This is especially important in fraud detection because we want to avoid falsify accusing legitimate customers. Recall. Recall measures how many actual positive cases are successfully identified. For example, in diseases detection, recall measures how many sick patients were correctly diagnosed. The F1 store The F1 store combines precision and recall into single measurement. It is useful when both false positive and false negative are important. Confusion matrix, a table of showing true positiveness, false positives, true negatives, and false negatives used to evaluate classification models in detail. Application in healthcare. Disease prediction using patient data, medical image analysis using X-ray and MRIs, cancer detection and early diagnosis, and patient monitoring systems. Applications in finance, fraud detection, identifying suspicious transactions in real time, credit scoring, assessing borrower risk and loan eligibility, stock prediction, forecasting market trends and asset prices. 4. Risk assessment, evaluating financial exposure and investment risk. Next slide is application in business. Customer segmentation, grouping customers by behavior and preferences. Recommendation systems, personalized product and content suggestions. Third is sale forecasting, predicting future revenue and demand trends. And last is marketing analysis, optimizing campaigns and targeting strategies. Next is application in security or cybersecurity. One is intrusion detection, identifies unauthorized access and network attacks in real time. Next, malware classification categorizes malicious software to enable rapid threat response. Third is anomaly detection, flags unusual patterns that may indicate security breaches. Last, threat prediction anticipates future attacks based on historical data and behavioral patterns. Advantages. The advantages of neural networks. One is high accuracy in complex classification tasks without learning automat without high accuracy in data classification tasks learns automatically from data without manual programming. Handles complex, high-dimensional, and unstructured data. Recognizes hidden patterns not visible to the traditional methods. Works effi- effectively with large-scale datasets and supports predictive analytics and decision-making. Limitations. Limitations are requires large amounts of data. Neural networks requires thousands of over millions of training samples to achieve high accuracy. Long training time. Training deep neural networks may take several hours, days, or even weeks. High computational costs. Neural networks require powerful computers equipped with graphics processing units or GPUs. Difficult to interpret. It may produce highly accurate predictions without clearly explaining its reasoning. Ro- risk, risk overfitting. This overfitting occurs when a neural network memorizes the training data instead of learning general patterns. Sensitive to noisy and or incomplete data. Re- Requires significant technical expertise. Limited transparency in decision making. Ethical issues. Privacy and bias. Data privacy concerns must be addressed when handling sensitive information. Algori- Algorithmic bias can lead to unfair outcomes if training data is unrepresentative or skewed. Accountability and transparency. Organization must ensure transparency in AI decision making, establish clear accountability frameworks, and commit to responsible and ethical AI use. The future trends: enable AI, AutoML, Edge AI, or AutoML or automated machine learning, Edge AI, Edge artificial intelligence, federated learning, quantum neural networks, green AI. Expandable AI. Expandable AI focuses on making neural networks easier to understand. It allows users to know why an AI system made a particular decision. AutoML o Automated Machine Learning automates many machine learning tasks. It enables organizations without AI experts to develop intelligent systems more easily. Edge AI. Edge AI processes information directly on devices instead of sending everything to cloud servers. This improves speed, reduces internet dependency, and enhances privacy. Next is federated learning. Federated learning allows multiple devices to train one AI model without sharing private data. Quantum neural networks. Quantum neural networks combines artificial intelligence and quantum computing. This technology has the potential to solve highly complex problems much faster than today's computers. Last is the green AI. Green AI aims to reduce energy consumption during AI training. This supports environmentally sustainable artificial intelligence. Case study Netflix about Netflix recommendation system. It analyzes users' viewing history and behavior, which when you search, it automatically gets your thought to or what you have want to watch movie. Uses neural networks to identify patterns. It can identify patterns by by what have you searched in the search bar. Predicts individual user preferences accurately. Dislikes when you search it automatically shows what the system as past past search sample mag-search ka movie. Example lang cover magbuo na dahil ng ang mga movie nga parehas niya title hindi na sa mga taliban Next is improve customer satisfaction and retention. The next is increases overall viewing time in and engagement. Summary, neural networks are inspired by human brain. It's powerful tools in data mining and pattern discovery. Classification is the main application of neural networks. The networks learn through backpropagation and weight adjustment. Applied across and it can applied across healthcare, finance, business, and cybersecurity. Last is future AI can be more intelligent, explainable, and efficient. For the conclusion, neural networks are key technologies in data mining and classification, enabling to analysis of massive datasets, discovery of hidden patterns, and accurate predictions. Despite challenges such as computational cost, interpretability, and data requirements, neural networks continue to drive AI innovation and digital transformation across industries. As AI evolves, neural networks will remain central to intelligent and data-driven decision-making in modern organizations. That's all for my report, sir. Thank you.